What if I told you there's a way to 10 times your online business without working harder, hiring a team, or spending a fortune on ads? Sounds impossible, right? But the secret isn't luck or timing, it's artificial intelligence. Right now, business owners all over the world are using AI to generate leads, automate sales, and grow faster than ever before, while others are still stuck doing everything manually. The truth is, we've entered a new era of online business, and the ones who understand how to use AI strategically, the right way, will dominate. So in this video, I'll show you the exact AI strategy that can 10 times your online business in the next 12 months. If you start using it today, AI is not just a tool, it's a multiplier. It amplifies your ideas, accelerates your growth, and automates the parts of your business that used to drain your time. From copywriting and design to analytics and customer service, AI is changing how entrepreneurs build, scale, and sustain online businesses. But here's the catch. Most people use AI the wrong way. They treat it like a gimmick instead of a system. They ask ChatGPT to write a caption or generate an ad, but they don't understand how to integrate it strategically. That's where the magic happens. In this video, we'll break down the AI growth system, a simple 4-step strategy you can implement right now to scale your online business exponentially. Whether you run an e-commerce store, a coaching program, a digital agency, or even a YouTube channel, this framework works across all industries. Let's dive in. Step 1. Use AI to understand your audience better than they understand themselves. The foundation of any successful business is understanding your customer, their desires, pain points, and motivations. But most entrepreneurs guess. AI eliminates the guesswork. Here's how. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity to analyze reviews, comments, and testimonials from your niche. Simply paste data from Amazon reviews, Reddit threads, or Facebook groups and ask AI to extract insights. Summarize the top 5 pain points people have about your niche product. AI can instantly reveal emotional triggers, frustrations, and unmet needs your audience has. Data that usually takes months to discover. Want to go even deeper? Feed AI your competitor's website copy or product descriptions and ask, what's their unique selling proposition, and how can I position my offer differently? This gives you instant clarity on how to stand out in a crowded market. When you understand your customer at a psychological level, you can market smarter, not louder. Step 2. Use AI to build a high-converting content engine. Now that you know your audience, it's time to grab their attention and keep it. And in 2025, attention is currency. Content is how you build trust, authority, and a loyal following. But most business owners waste hours brainstorming ideas, writing posts, or editing videos. AI fixes that. You can use tools like a ChatGPT for content strategy and scripting, Notion AI for organizing content calendars, Opus Clip or Pika for repurposing long videos into short clips, Midjourney or Canva Magic Studio for thumbnails, visuals, and branding. Yeah, here's the exact system you can use. Ask ChatGPT to analyze your niche and generate 100 content ideas based on trending keywords, customer pain points, and viral hooks. Pick your best ideas and have AI write video scripts, blog posts, or social captions tailored to your brand voice. Use AI-powered editing tools to transform one long-form video into 10+ short-form clips for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Congratulations, you just built a content factory that runs almost on autopilot. The result? More visibility, more traffic, and more customers, without spending your life behind a screen. Step 3. Automate your sales and customer experience with AI. Once people start noticing your content, it's time to turn attention into revenue. This is where most entrepreneurs struggle. They generate leads but don't have the systems to convert them efficiently. That's where AI automation comes in, with tools like ManyChat, Zapier, HubSpot AI, and ClickFunnels 2.0 with AI. You can build automated systems that handle sales, onboarding, and customer support 24/7. Imagine this workflow. A potential customer sees your post, clicks a link, and starts chatting with an AI bot. The bot asks qualifying questions, recommends the right product or service, and even closes the sale all automatically. If they don't buy, AI follows up with personalized emails or messages based on behavior. Hey, I noticed you were checking out our product but didn't complete the purchase. Here's a special offer that might help you decide. No more manual follow-ups, no more missed opportunities. Even customer support can be handled by AI systems that respond instantly and accurately. That means you can serve hundreds of customers at once without hiring a huge team. This step alone can double or triple your monthly revenue while freeing up your time to focus on growth. Step 4. Use predictive AI to scale and optimize. Once your business starts generating consistent income, AI can help you scale intelligently. How? Through data-driven decision-making. AI can analyze your performance metrics, predict trends, and recommend actions to maximize profit. For example, use Google Analytics AI or AdCreative.ai to identify which ads or posts are performing best and automatically adjust your campaigns. Use Jasper or Copy.ai to A/B test headlines, ad copy, and landing pages in seconds. Use ChatGPT's data analysis features to review your conversion funnel and pinpoint exactly where you're losing customers. You'll no longer rely on intuition or guesswork. Every business decision, marketing, pricing, hiring will be backed by real-time AI insights. This is how companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Shopify sellers stay ahead. They don't react, they predict. And when you combine predictive AI with automation, your business runs like a well-oiled machine. You can scale from $10,000 to $100,000 a month without burning out or needing a huge team. Bonus, the AI plus human formula. Now here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI alone won't 10 times your business. If everyone uses the same AI tools, you'll blend in. What makes the difference is how you combine AI with your human creativity, intuition, and strategy. AI is like a rocket engine. It can take you far, but you still have to steer. Here's how to do it right. Let AI handle data, automation, and analysis. Use your human creativity for vision, storytelling, and relationships. Constantly refine your AI prompts to make them smarter and more aligned with your brand voice. The businesses that win in the next decade will be AI empowered, not AI dependent. They'll use AI as a multiplier, not a crutch. Case study: the 10 times effect in action. Let's look at a quick example. Sarah runs a small e-commerce brand selling eco-friendly skincare. Before AI, she was doing everything manually, writing emails, editing videos, handling customer questions, and running ads. Then she implemented this exact 4-step AI strategy: audience research. She used ChatGPT to analyze customer reviews and discovered her target audience cared most about sustainability and transparency. AI content engine. She created a month's worth of Instagram content and short-form videos in 2 days using Jasper and Opus Clip. AI automation. She connected her Shopify store to an AI chatbot that handled inquiries and upsells automatically. Predictive AI. She used analytics to track top-performing campaigns and let AI allocate her ad budget dynamically. Result: her monthly revenue grew from $8,000 to $82,000 in just 7 months. That's not magic. That's the power of a structured AI strategy. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few mistakes entrepreneurs make when using AI. Using AI randomly instead of strategically. You don't need every tool, just the ones that integrate well with your workflow. Relying too heavily on automation. Keep the human touch. Customers trust authenticity, not robotic responses. Ignoring data privacy. Always use AI tools that comply with data protection laws and secure your customer information. failing to train AI on your brand. Feed it your brand voice, values, and examples, so it generates content that feels authentically you. Remember, the goal isn't to replace you, it's to amplify you. So, can AI really 10 times your online business? Absolutely, but only if you use it strategically. Here's the recap. Understand your audience with AI research. Build a content engine that runs 24/7. Automate your sales and support systems. Use predictive AI to optimize and scale. That's the formula, the AI growth system. We're living in the most exciting time in online business history. A single entrepreneur with the right AI tools can now outperform entire teams from a decade ago. The question is, will you be the one using AI to grow, or the one watching others pass you by? Because in the new digital economy, the ones who master AI won't just survive, they'll dominate.